It is Tuesday, June 16th, and Hastings is waking up to a damp, gray start. We are facing a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms rolling through town before 9 a.m. The National Weather Service has issued a hazardous weather outlook for the morning. It serves as a reminder that summer weather in Minnesota can be highly unpredictable. If we look back at this date in Minnesota history, we find a stark example of how extreme that atmospheric power can truly become. On June 16, 1992, a massive storm outbreak struck southwest Minnesota. It produced the Chandler-Lake Wilson F5 tornado, which was the most powerful twister recorded in the United States that entire year. Spawning an F5 requires the specific mechanics of a supercell. These are severe thunderstorms with deep, persistently rotating updrafts. They form when cold, dry air at high altitudes collides with warm, moist air at the surface, fueling a massive, sustained rotation. While today's forecast is much milder, that history validates the practical advice to carry a rain jacket for any early errands near the river. These morning showers are a gentle manifestation of the same volatile atmospheric engine that dictates life in the Midwest. By mid-morning, the weather shifts. A 15-mile-per-hour northwest wind will begin clearing out the storm clouds while dropping the local humidity. This leads into a crisp afternoon with a high near 72 degrees. It is optimal weather for a walk downtown or through Levee Park. The Mississippi River reportedly finds 72 degrees refreshing, though for residents that usually means you should bring a light layer if you're planning to be near the water. But the calm, scenic riverfront we enjoy today isn't a purely natural phenomenon. It is the result of long-term historical intervention. The origins of the infrastructure that shapes our riverbank actually date back to June 16, 1775. On the same day George Washington became Commander-in-Chief, Congress authorized the position of Chief Engineer for the Continental Army. That 1775 authorization eventually led to the formation of the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. This building on the riverfront displays the emblem of the Army Corps. Their mandate for lock and dam systems is what historically allowed us to channel and control the Mississippi River region. The peaceful Hastings waterscape is a highly regulated, engineered environment. Decades of specialized river work turned a volatile waterway into a controlled border that serves the city's infrastructure. The forecast reverses again tonight. Temperatures will drop to 54 degrees as the wind shifts toward the south-southeast after midnight. We are facing an 80% chance of returning rain, with the potential for thunderstorms developing after 4 a.m. Before those overnight clouds completely block the view, take a look at the evening sky to mark a major cosmic milestone from June 16, 1963. On this date, Valentina Tereshkova became the first woman in space, launching into orbit aboard the Vostok 6 mission. This metallic, spherical Vostok capsule was her home for 71 hours. She completed 48 full orbits of the Earth, relying on early orbital engineering to survive the vacuum of space. Tereshkova's mission demonstrated that humanity could do more than just observe the sky. We could transcend it entirely. The same curiosity that drove that 1963 mission still prompts people in Hastings to look up from the riverbank and wonder what exists beyond the clouds. Today marks the intersection of three distinct forces: the atmospheric power of the 1992 outbreak, the 1775 engineering of our land, and the 1963 journey into the stars. Because our local weather can pivot violently overnight, be sure to check official alerts before heading out or going to sleep. A typical June Tuesday in Hastings is a daily meeting of nature's power and human ambition. If you found this helpful, share it with a neighbor and subscribe to Hastings Now.